Hello, today I am going to discuss regarding whipping cream. I just want to know which cream you are using for your baking purpose, making a cake. If you are using a dairy cream, then you are doing very good job. If you are using a non-dairy cream, which is sweetened cream, which is available in the market, like with the first ingredients is water, so you are giving not a good product to a customer. So eventually, what happened? Now you know that the sale is dropping day by day. So you will be getting a publicity from mouth to mouth. Like if you eat a good cake with a dairy cream, definitely he is going to suggest to the other party which is surrounded by him. So if you are giving a non-dairy cream, it is just a cream only, nothing else. Yes, you have to make an option choices like 1, 2, 3. If the customer doesn't have an affordability, then yes, you can do that. But you have to educate them, saying that yes, you have to pay just 5-10 dirhams more for a cake, but it is made with a good ingredients. So we have a different variants of cream. You will be making like ganache for with a 35% dairy cream or non-dairy cream or cooking cream. You can make with all this cream. You can do it, no issues. But if you see in terms of quality, healthiness, or then you have to use a dairy cooking whipping cream. Okay, in that case, I'll suggest from our portfolio we have a 35% dairy from Germany. It has a more whipping yield. It has a dairy fat in it. And then if you don't have much that what you call capacity or budget, then you can go for a blended cream, which the first ingredients are buttermilk. Then in this you can add the sugar as per your wish, even in this also. But if it is a whipping cream which contains sugar, you don't have a control of that. That is fixed. Suppose if your customer wanted to buy less sugar cake, then the option is not left there. Whereas in this you can adjust the sweetness of it. And we have other whipping cream which is made as a blended cream. Then we have a sugared cream. We have a cooking cream we can use for a ganache application if you are not going to use a blended one. It contains 15% dairy fat. Then we have sour cream, which contains a probiotic thing which is very good for our health. In that there are 10% and 24%. So we have a total of 7 variants you can choose from which one you wanted to go for. For whipping application or cooking application, we have different choices we are giving to you. It depends what you wanted to give your best to your customers, depending upon the range what you are offering. That's it. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other items, any other products, or you can get in touch with us. Thank you.